Are you struggling to convert your website visitors? Pop-ups can be the game changer you need. Many businesses face low conversion rates, losing potential leads, customers, and followers. You need a solution that elevates user engagement effectively. Enter Popupsmart alternatives. These tools are designed to transform your site traffic into loyal customers seamlessly. First, they are user-friendly, allowing your entire team to create engaging pop-ups with ease. Next, they offer beautiful templates to ensure your pop-ups match your brand perfectly. Lastly, advanced targeting options personalize the user experience. What sets these alternatives apart is their affordability and impressive support. Unlike others, these solutions provide extensive integrations, making them a perfect fit for your existing workflow. Ready to skyrocket your conversions? Try Hello Bar, a top-performing alternative known for its ease of use and rich features since 2012. Hello Bar features include automated A/B testing, advanced targeting, and a user-friendly drag-and-drop editor. It accommodates all business sizes, from startups to enterprises, ensuring their solution grows alongside you. Whether you're a marketing agency, e-commerce store, or a media company, Hello Bar covers all your pop-up needs effectively. Choose Hello Bar and experience its incredible benefits today. Take the first step towards transformation and elevate your conversion strategy right now.